Hi there, it's Rich from Enhanced Car Audio and Security. Just wanted to walk you through this 2015 Volkswagen Golf. So this vehicle is a Mark 7. It's come into us today to have Apple CarPlay fitted to the factory touchscreen. So as you can see, we've changed nothing on the vehicle screen itself. What we have done is we've added an aftermarket media unit. So a quick push of the menu button here will bring up the Apple CarPlay system on the vehicle. This particular CarPlay unit is wireless, so after the initial connection, every time you enter the vehicle, it will automatically connect to the CarPlay. You won't have to get your phone out to connect it every time, it will do it all itself. So as you can hear, we are currently connected for audio, so you can use your built-in audio through music, or if you've got compatible apps with Apple CarPlay, so things such as Audible, Spotify, Heart, YouTube Music, etc. They will display on screen and you can play music from them. You will also get Waze for navigation, as well as Google Maps display on the screen here. So whichever navigation you prefer, if it's compatible, it will display on the screen. So as here, you can now set a new route exactly where you want it to go. So back to the main menu again. You can make and take calls on this unit as well. It will also read and dictate messages to you from Messenger, also from WhatsApp, and if you need to reply, you can just tell it what you want it to send and it will then send for you. You can also use Hey Siri on iPhone, and again, Hey Siri will then command what it is you want to dictate or what app it is you want to open, what you want to send, who you want to call, etc. It will do all of that for you. So if this is something you're looking for, or you're interested to see if you can get Apple CarPlay installed to your factory unit, by all means please give us a call, 01622 737393, or you can contact us at info@caraudiokent.co.uk. We hope to hear from you. Thank you.